You see this fender right here? It's spider webbing. See if you can do a close-up, see if you can get the spider webbing on there. This is a common problem with paint jobs. When they get older, they'll haze up on the top, okay? So here it's shiny on the side and it's hazy right here. If you got that going on, what you want to do is you want to use this. This is called Lukat Fix It. This is not car wax. It will not put a shine on your car, but it'll fix this problem. Let me show you what I mean. So here I got a terry cloth towel. It's folded up into a tight little square. You see that haze right there? Okay, you can do a close-up right there. I'm gonna put some on like that, and I'm just gonna go back and forth like this. Okay, remember this is not car wax, it's cleaner. It removes buildup, contamination, and oxidation. So it works on base coats and clear coats. Okay, you don't have to drive around with that ugly paint job. And again, all I'm doing here right now is not waxing, but cleaning. I didn't remove the clear coat, I cleaned it. And that looks really good now, but listen to this. There's no wax here because this is not a shine, it's a cleaner. It's beautiful. I'm gonna do the top right here. So I'm gonna put some on there like that. Okay, we use the same towel and you just go back and forth. Just don't do circles. It's very easy to use. You can piecemeal this out, you can clean it in sections, but you can remove the oxidation, bring back the remaining color and shine, and save yourself having to paint the car. I mean, this stuff is amazing. You'd be surprised by how much color and gloss is still on a paint job. Look at that. And remember, it's squeaky clean. Okay, now I'm gonna add the other one. This is a sealer designed for protection. You put this on to seal the paint. Now you can do the circles. You just do that, work it into the paint. Let it cure for about 10 minutes. Okay, I'm not gonna wait 10 minutes, but if you let it work, if you let it sit for like 10 minutes, oh man, stammering. It'll harden and cure, and it'll come out much better. Go and do like a forward and a pan back so they can see how nice that looks. And this is permanent, guys. This won't wash off because we use the cleaner to remove the buildup, and that's the original state right there. So check us out at lukatdetail.com. Order your product today or call us and talk to us. Ask us questions. This stuff is amazing. You'd be surprised by how much color and gloss is still on the paint job, even when it's this ugly. Later, guys.